That's just to make us look cool.
Hi, my name is Amanda Diaz, and I'm a program coordinator at the Coit College of Pharmacy Phoenix campus, and I make custom cookies. I love to make cookies. It's a family recipe, and so I make a sugar cookie, shortbread cookie with a fondant top. The fondant is a little bit more like modeling clay, so it's more like I'm sculpting. I just started making them about 8 months ago. The first time I made them, I was like, this is way too much work. Who would do this? Like, this is crazy. And then I got hungry for cookies again. My cookies were definitely ugly when I started. It is practice takes perfect, and sometimes getting that practice in stinks. I love to be able to customize it for whatever people are asking for, they need, whatever it is to celebrate that person and just make them feel loved by having something especially for them. I think custom cookies have a bad rep of being really pretty but tasting awful. These actually taste good. So I was like, I wouldn't make them if they tasted bad. That's the whole point, is to eat them.